Today I am at Oconee Station, State Historic Site. The first thing I did, I stopped by the State Park office and got the stamp for the Ultimate Outsider Challenge. Oconee Station was a military compound and trading post, and right up the hill from the State Park office, there are two structures that are still remaining. One of them is the Stone Blockhouse. It was used as an outpost for the South Carolina militia from 1792 until 1799. The other structure is a historic home. This is the Willam Richards House, and it was built in 1805. In addition to the structures, Oconee Station has a fishing pond, and it also has a trail to Station Cove Falls, which is a short trail that I highly recommend. If you park right at the trailhead, it is only half a mile each way. Oconee Station Falls is one of my favorites. It even made my list of best waterfalls in South Carolina.